Hey guys, good evening. All are getting my screen and voice.
Recording in progress.
Please confirm. All are getting my screen and voice. Fine guys. Right. See guys, we have created Linux missions. So in that Linux mission, if you want to install any package, how we can able to install? In Linux mission, if you want install any package, how we can able to install? Package is nothing but what? An application. Package is nothing but server, application, anything we can call. Right. How to install packages in Linux mission? How to install packages in Linux mission? Right. See guys here. So which distribution we are using guys? Amazon Linux we are using. Right. Same way we have Ubuntu Linux also is there. Suppose if you are using Ubuntu Linux, we need to install, right? If you want to install any packages in Ubuntu Linux mission, then we need to use apt. What is this apt? What is this apt guys? This apt is nothing but package manager. Apt is nothing but package manager. By using this apt, we can able to install the packages in Ubuntu Linux mission. Right? By using apt, you can't able to install the packages in Amazon Linux. Only in Ubuntu Linux, this apt will work. Suppose if you want to install Git in Ubuntu Linux, right? Install Git in Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu Linux. How you will write the command? How you will write the command guys to install the package in Ubuntu Linux? See, this is the command we need to use. Sudo and here we need to use apt install git. Apt install git we need to use. Here which package manner we are using? Apt we are using. Yes, tell me, in our Windows mission, if you want to install any software, first what we are doing? We are downloading that package. That software will be downloaded into our downloads mission. From there we are installing. But coming to this Linux mission, are you downloading? Are you downloading the packages from anywhere? If you go to Windows mission, from internet we are downloading the software, then we are installing. But coming to this Linux mission, from where we are downloading? Are you downloading from anywhere? Are you using a browser to download the packages? Ubuntu is one distribution. How we have Amazon Linux, Ubuntu Linux, these are the different distributions we have. In a day one class I told. Guys, my voice is not audible. Fine guys. See here in Ubuntu Linux mission, if you want to install any package, we need to use apt package manager. See here, like Windows, we are not downloading any package explicitly at here. Right, all the packages are already available in this apt. Right, so whenever you are going to install the package, what we are doing? First, we need to get the package from the apt and we need to install in the Linux mission. Understood, guys? Right, whenever you created the Linux mission, at that time only all the softwares will be downloaded into this package manager. Right, whenever you need to install that package, you need to install like that. Right, before this command, if you want, you can update those packages also. In that apt, whatever the packages are available, I want to update. How you will take the update? Sudo apt sudo apt update. Right, inside this apt we have set of packages are available. We are updating those packages. If any latest versions are came, so all those updates will go into this apt whenever you run this command. When you run this command, all the updates will go into this apt repository. And from there I'm taking the package and I'm installing into Linux machine. Understood, guys? Understood? Right, like Windows, we are not downloading explicitly anything in our Linux machine. Whenever you whenever you created Linux machine, this package manager will come. Inside this package manager, all the softwares are available. From there we are taking and installing into our Linux machine. What you need to do before installing, just you need to take the update. Right, why we are taking the update? To get the latest versions. To get the latest versions, we need to take the update once before installing. Update and then install. Right, so this apt will work only in Ubuntu Linux machine. Apart this Ubuntu, if you go with any other distribution, Amazon Linux or any other distribution, then we need to use yum we need to use. Install package in Amazon Linux machine. Amazon Linux. So then what we need to take? Sudo yum update. What is this yum, guys? Yum is a package manager. Yum is a package manager. Right, by this command what is happening? Inside this yum, whatever the packages are there, all those packages are going to update it here. We are updating the packages. Next, to install, sudo yum install git. I'm installing git at here. Understood, guys? Apart Ubuntu Linux, right, instead of, right, only for Ubuntu Linux machine this apt will work. Only in Ubuntu Linux machines apt will work. If you go with any other flavor, right, Amazon, Ubuntu, all these things are the flavors of the Linux, not versions. Flavors of the Linux, guys. Right, if you go with any other flavor, this apt won't work. Instead of apt, we need to take yum module. Yum we need to take, guys. Is it clear? So after installing the package, I want to check whether it is installed or not. How you can able to check? By checking the version. Right, see, git, right? See here, just you need to give this command, git -version. If it prints the version, means git is installed successfully in my machine. Git is installed successfully. Suppose if you want to install Java, then what you need to do? Right, you no need to take the update multiple times. Right, so whenever you connected with that Linux machine, just take update once. That is enough. Right, now I want to install Java. Right, sudo yum module, right, install Java. Right, whether Java is installed or not, how we can able to know? Right, by using Java -version we need to use. Right, it prints the installed version. Which version of Java is installed, it will print that version. Suppose if you want to install Maven, sudo yum install Maven. Right, so Maven is installed or not, how you can able to know? Right, here just check mvn -version. Right, so like this we will install all required softwares into our Linux machine. Based on our requirement, whatever the softwares you want, all those softwares we will install in our machine. Is it clear, guys? See, I want to install zip. Suppose if you want to extract any zip folder, see, let me connect here. Let me connect with our Linux machine. Suppose if you want to extract any zip folder, compulsory your system should have zip software. Then only you can able to extract the zip folders. Right, first you need to install zip in your system to extract the zip folders. Suppose if you want extract any tar files, .tar files, tar is the extension. Compulsory you should have that software in your system, then only you can able to install, right? Copy this SSH. See guys, sudo yum install Java. See guys, what it is telling? What it is telling? Already installed. Java already installed in this system. Nothing to do, it is telling. Java already installed. Check Java is installed or not. Java hyphen version. See, Java version 17.0. Java 17.0 is available in my machine. Right? So next, I want to install Maven. Right? Before that, let me take the update once. Sudo yum update. All the updates will come. Right? Completed. Completed, guys. Now sudo yum install Maven. Maven also already installed. I think yesterday I installed, right? So now I want to check mvn hyphen version. See guys, Apache Maven 3.0.5 is installed. Right? If you want to extract any zip folders, zip software is required. Sudo yum install zip. Right. Zip also already installed. Latest version zip hyphen version. Sudo yum install zip. Here only we got zip 3.0.11 is installed, guys. Zip 3.0.11 is installed in the system. Right, same sudo yum install tar. Right, tar also installed like this. If you want install any packages, so like this we need to install, guys. Clear? How to install the packages? Packages are nothing but applications, right, or servers, anything we can call. Is it clear how to install? Right, if you want install in Ubuntu server, Ubuntu Linux machine, we need to use apt as the package manager. If you want install in any other machines, other flavors, then we need to use yum as the yum means yum as the package manager. Okay, fine, guys. So now observe carefully. Yes, anyone tell me what is web server? What is web server, guys? Anyone please tell me what is web server? What is web server? Please respond, anyone. Anyone have any idea what is web server? Please. Any idea? Fine. So no issue. See guys, web server. Why we will use this web server, guys? We will use web server to run the web applications. We will use web server to run the web applications. We will use web server to run the web applications. Web application. Tell me what is web application? What is web application? What is web application? What is web application? Right. See, web application is nothing but the application which we can access through internet. Through internet is called as web application. Is called as web application. Right? Web is nothing but what, guys? Internet. Web is nothing but internet. The application which we can access through internet, such type of applications are called as web applications. Right? Example, Gmail. Without having internet, can you able to access Gmail? No, we can't. Gmail is a web application. Facebook. Without having internet, can you able to access Facebook? No. YouTube. Right? Whatever the applications you will access through internet, all those applications we will call it as web applications. To run those web applications, whatever the server we are using, that is called as web server. Is it clear, guys? What is web application? What is web server? The application which we can access through internet is called as web application. To run that web application, whatever the server we are using, that is called as web server. Understood, guys? Here, to run the web applications, here, to run the web applications, so we are using HTTPD. HTTPD web server. This HTTPD is a web server, guys. See guys, if you want to run web applications, you should have the web server. Right? Which web server we are taking? HTTPD, Apache HTTPD we are taking as the web server. If you want to run any web application, here first I need to install this HTTPD in my Linux machine, then only I can able to run the web applications. Understood, guys? Please read the statements. Right. Get only. If you want to run web applications, we need web server. HTTPD we can use as web server at here. It is Apache web server. Right. So we need to install this web server first. We need to install this web server first. How you will install? See, sudo yum update. Sudo yum update. Next here, sudo yum install HTTPD. HTTPD. Right. So now once this HTTPD installed, what we need to do? What is the next step we need to do after installing that HTTPD? We need to start the server, guys. Server is installed. Right. Next what we need to do? we need to start the server. How you will start the server? To start the server, we need to use one module which is called as service module. Sudo service. We will discuss more. What is service and all those things we will discuss in our DevOps sessions. See guys, we need to install this. We need this service module. By using service module, we can able to start the servers. We can able to restart the servers. We can able to stop the servers. If you want start the servers or stop the servers or restart the servers, then we need to go for this service module. Right? Sudo service httpd start. I want to start. Already I installed httpd in my mission. So next what you need to do? You need to start this httpd. To start this httpd, what we are using? Service module. By using service module, we can start the servers, guys. Right? So now let me do this. Right? Sudo yum update. Sudo yum update. Right? So no package backslash updated. Okay. So now here what I am going to do? Sudo, and here I am going to install yum install httpd. Right guys, httpd is downloaded. So now httpd is installed, guys. Once this httpd is installed, we need to start that. We need to start that, guys. Right? To start that, what command we need to use? Sudo service httpd start. Sudo service httpd start. Right. Here what it is telling? httpd is started. Right? Once this httpd is started, I want to check whether it is started really or not. How you can able to check? How you can able to check? Go to here, right, where we started that one in our Linux mission only. So go to our Linux mission, select this one, right. Here we have the public IP, copy this public IP, go to here, paste that public IP. What you are getting? Right, this site cannot be reached. Right, so why we are getting like this? HTTPD. If you want access that HTTPD server, how you can able to access? Through HTTP protocol only we can able to access. This HTTPD server will run on which port number? Right, every server will run some port number, guys. Every server will run on some port. This HTTPD will run on port number 80. HTTPD will run on port number 80. Then what we need to do? Here we need to enable HTTP protocol with 80 port. We need to enable HTTP protocol with 80 port in security group. How you will do? Go to here, go to our Linux mission. See guys, once you selected this Linux mission, here you can see the security. Click on this security. And here we have the security group ID. This is the security group ID. Click on this security group ID. We need to enable, guys. We need to enable HTTP protocol with 80 port. See guys, once you came to here, you can see inbound rules. Here you can able to see the inbound rules. Inbound rules is there. Right, see. Here what we have, guys, here only SSH is there. Right, 1 minute. Edit, click on this edit inbound rules. Click on edit inbound rules. See here only SSH is there, guys. Now I want to enable HTTP protocol also with port number 80. So add rule. Click on add rule. Here, what you need to enable? HTTP. You need to enable HTTP. See guys, here we have HTTP. Right, port number 80. See guys, port number 80. Post number 80. Right, here anywhere. Anywhere I'm taking it here. Okay guys. See HTTPD. Right, port number 80. HTTPD port number 80. If you want, you can keep it as this default custom only. Right, save rules. 0.000. Save rules. Why we need to enable, guys? Right, that HTTPD is installed in Linux machine, but I am trying to access that one from our Windows machine. Right, Windows machine. So compulsory to access from outside, right, that security group should be enabled, guys. Now go to here. See guys. See, you are getting the test page. HTTP server. This is HTTP server. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? What I did here, let me add the steps. What I did, let me add the step set here. Here. Enable HTTP protocol with 80 port. With 80 port. Enable HTTP protocol with 80 port in security group. In security group. Here inbound rules, guys. In security group, you can able to see the inbound rules. Inbound rules of our EC2 instance. Whatever the EC2 instance we created, there we can see we will get the one option which is security. Inside that you can see inbound rules. You need to edit that inbound rules. There we need to add this one. EC2 instance. Right? And after enabling that, what we need to do? After enabling 80 port, in security group, and we can access our website. We can access our website using EC2 instance. EC2 instance public IP. EC2 instance public IP. Right. So next, to change web page content, I want to change, guys. Here you are getting something. Here you are getting some default one. I don't want this default one. I want to change something. I want to display my own content when anybody accessed my website, guys. And if anybody accessed my website, I will show my content. But here we are getting some default content. How you can able to modify this default content? And how you can able to modify this default content, guys? Where this content is present? Anyone please tell me? Where this content is present? Anyone please? Here you can able to see some content. But I don't want this default content. I want to display my own content. As per my website, whatever the content is required, that content I want to display. Then what I need to do? Where I need to change? Anyone have any idea? Fine. See guys. Right. Go to this location. Right. We have index.html file is there. In that index.html file, we need to modify the content. Where that index.html file is present, see, go to this location, cd slash var, cd slash var slash www slash html. html. Right. So now here just to do ls, guys. Just to do ls here. 1 minute. pwd. Okay. Right. So now here I'm going to create one file, guys. I'm going to open the file index.html. Right. This is the empty file. Empty file is available. I'm going to change the content. I'm going to write the content. This content only will display on that page. See, welcome to. So currently we are in command mode. I want to change it to insert mode. Insert. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Save it. Save. Not open file or type command to continue. One minute, guys. Let me quit. Okay, permissions are not there. Sudo vi index.html. Go to insert mode. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. WQ. Okay, fine, guys. So now I want get this content. Now go to there. See, guys, what you are getting? Welcome to DevOps with AWS. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Right. If you want to display your own content, what we need to do? We need to go to this location. Right. To change the web page. To change the web page content. We can use below command. What command we need to use? cd/var/www/html. You need to go to this location, and here we need to create one html file. Sorry, index.html file. We need to create it here. Whatever the content you need to display, that content we need to take into index.html files. Here what we need to do, see, sudo vi index.html. Right here only we need to write the content. Write the content in below index.html file. Write the content in below index.html file and save it. See, guys, inside this file we have written the content and we saved. So next what we did, guys, right, we went into the browser. There we have given public IP. EC2 instance mission public IP. With the EC2 instance public IP, we can able to access that web page. That is the static web page, guys. Right? Anyone can able to, if anyone try to access that same content, they will get. Please go through this, guys. Please go through the steps once. What we did. See, guys, if anyone have any doubt in that security group, guys, see what you guys need to do. Click on this security group. See, go back to our EC2 mission. Go back to our EC2 mission. Right, select this one. Here you will get like this. Here you will get like this. Right, click on this security. And here you can able to see the security group ID. This is the security group ID. Click on this security group ID. Right, what is this security group? How to create this security group ID? Everything we will discuss in AWS. Don't worry. How to add the security group to our instance? Everything we will discuss in our AWS sessions. Don't worry. Right, see here. Click on this group ID. You guys will get like this. Right, we need to go to inbound rules. Right, here edit inbound rules option is there. Click on this edit inbound rules. See guys, so this is what we added, HTTP, right, with the default port number 80, right? So take the screenshot of this, guys. Otherwise, when you guys are practicing, you guys will get confused. Take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of this. Once it's done, please go through the steps once. Right, guys. Is this clear? Is this clear? So next, what is package manager? What is package manager? What is package manager? It is a tool. Package manager is a tool. Right. Package manager is a tool that allows users to install, remove means uninstall, to install, uninstall, right, and upgrade the softwares, on an operating system. What is package manager, guys? It is a tool that allows users to install, remove, and upgrade the softwares on an operating system. Right, by using apt or by using m, what we can do, we can install the packages, we can uninstall the packages, and we can upgrade the packages. Upgrading means latest versions. In your system, if you have old version, I want to get some latest version, then we need to upgrade. We need to upgrade to latest version. All these operations we can perform by using this package manager. Right? What package managers are available at here? What package managers are available? See here, multiple package managers. So many package managers are available. Example, right? M is one package manager. APT is one package manager. Right? RPM is one package manager. Right? Next here, DB. Dep is one package manager, etc. So like this, we have so many package managers. Right, mostly we will use this M. Right, sometimes if you have any Ubuntu Linux machine, right, you can use this apt. Like this, we have several package managers. Right, we have Chocolate also. One more thing, Chocolate also is their package manager. All these are the package managers only. Right guys. Next. So Linux package manager. Linux package manager. Linux package managers are used to install, uninstall and upgrading softwares in Linux machines. Linux package managers are used to install, uninstall and upgrading softwares in Linux machine. Okay, so two things you guys need to observe it here. Clear? Yesterday, right, we installed Jenkins, guys. What we did, right, we downloaded the package from URL. By using URL, we downloaded the Jenkins package into our system. Right, then we started that, guys. Right, instead of doing that, by using this package manager directly, we can install the packages in our Linux machine. Guys, either by using wget command, we can download the packages into our machine through URL, then we need to install. Right, the second one is by using this package managers directly, we can able to install. Tell me guys, which one is easy? Right, wget or this package manager? Which one is easy, guys? If you go with the package manager, right, what it is doing, it is allowing you, right, to install, remove and upgrading the softwares in our operating system. Right, M is there, apt is there, RPM is there, chocolate is there, deb is there. All these things are the package managers only. Right, with all these packages managers, what you can do, you can install, uninstall, upgrade the softwares in our operating system. Clear? First tell me guys, what is package? What is package? What is package? What is package? Package is nothing but one application. Package is nothing but one application. One application. Right? See here, just now we installed HTTPD. What is that HTTPD? It is one package. It is one application. I installed Git. What is that Git? It is one package. It is one application. Java is one application. Maven is one application. Right. So by using this package managers, we can install all those packages. In Windows, if you want install any package, first you need to download, then you will install. But coming to Linux, we no need to download. By using this package managers, directly we can install, guys. Right, in Windows, if you want install Java, first you need to download the Java into your system, then only you can able to install. If you want install MySQL, first you need to download MySQL, then only you can able to install. But coming to Linux machine, we no need to download anything. By using this package managers, directly we can install the packages in our machine. Clear guys? What is package manager? What is package? Is this clear? What is package manager? What is package? Right. If you want install any package, how you will install, guys? Just now we have seen sudo yum install package name. See, sudo right, that package manager name, right, install that package name we need to give. Here, how to install the packages? See guys, can you install Docker in our system, guys? See, sudo simple. To install the Docker, just we need to give like this: sudo yum install Docker. Docker will be installed into your machine. Sudo yum install Docker. That's it. Guys, already I told that here mainly two types of Linux machines people will use, either Ubuntu or Amazon Linux. Mainly these two things only people will use, guys. Right, people who are working with Ubuntu, right, yum package manager won't work. They should go with apt package manager. Mainly in real time in companies we will use two types of Linux machines. Linux, either Ubuntu or Amazon. Right, if anybody is working with Ubuntu, they should use this apt package manager. If anyone is working with Amazon Linux, then they need to go with this yum module, yum module. Right, in Ubuntu this yum is not going to work. In our Amazon, apt doesn't work. Let me check it once. See here, sudo apt install Docker. See what you are getting? Apt command not found. Apt command not found. This apt is related to Ubuntu Linux machine. But in our system we have Amazon Linux. In Amazon Linux, apt doesn't work. Apt package manager belongs to Ubuntu machine. But in our system, Amazon Linux is there. Apt doesn't work in Amazon Linux. Right, which package manager will work in Amazon Linux? Yum module, yum package manager. Sudo yum install Docker. See guys, Docker is installing. Based on the Linux distributions, we need to choose the package manager. So how many categories we have in Linux distributions? 2 categories. Generally, so we have generally we have 2 types of Linux distributions. 2 types of Linux distributions. What 2 types are there? One is RPM based Linux distribution. RPM based Linux distribution. Second one is DEB. So generally we have 2 types of Linux distributions. One is RPM, second one is DAB. Right guys, tell me, here we are using Amazon Linux, right? That Amazon Linux will come under RPM or DAB, guys? RPM or DAB? Right, RPM. Amazon will come under RPM. Amazon Linux Amazon Linux will come under this RPM only. Next, Red Hat Linux also will come under RPM only. Red Hat also will come under this RPM only. And CentOS also will come under this, right, RPM only, etc. Right? So we are using Ubuntu Linux machine. That Ubuntu Linux machine will come under this DEB based. Ubuntu Linux. Right. So next one, Debian Linux. Etc. Like this, guys. Right. So Linux distributions are divided into two parts, guys. One is RPM, second one is DB. Right. So which Linux flavors will come under this RPM? Amazon Linux, Red Hat Linux, CentOS Linux, all these things will come under RPM. Right. So if you go with this RPM, which package managers we need to use? Right. So these package managers will work for RPM. Package managers here, YAM module, RPM, right, DNF. Right. These three things we will use for RPM based Linux machines. Right. Coming to this DEB based Linux distributions, what package managers we will use? What package managers we will use at here? APT we will get here. Please go through this. In interview, if they ask which package managers we need to use, means it depends on the Linux distribution. It depends on the Linux distribution, guys. Suppose if you are using Amazon Linux, then we need to go for M package manager. And if you are using Ubuntu Linux, then we need to go for this APT. Based on the Linux distribution, we need to choose corresponding package managers. Right? When you are working with the Ubuntu Linux machine, this M package manager does not work. If you are working with Amazon, then this APT does not work in that. Clear, guys? What is package manager? What is package? Right. So how many, right, ways these Linux distributions are divided? Right. So for which Linux machine, which package manager we need to use? Clear? APT. APT stands for what? Advanced Packaging Tool. Advanced Packaging Tool. Right. Next, M stands for LODOC updater. LODOC updater modified. Right, LODOC updater modified. Right. So RPM. Guys, all these things are, we don't need to remember, we don't need to by heart, guys. Not required all these things. We need to focus only on commands. Right. Today is the last session I told, right, Linux. That's why in last session I'm giving all these things. Right, all these things we no need to remember. No one will ask in the interviews about these things. Right, they will ask only related to commands. Only 1 or 2 questions they will ask on Linux. That 2 commands only they will ask. These theoretical points no one will ask. Right. So RPM Red Hat Packaging Manager, Red Hat Package Manager, right? So DNF dandified yum DPKG, right? Debian Package Management System, Debian Package Management System. So now in interview, if they ask the question like this, if they ask any question, how to install web server in Red Hat Linux, how to install web server in Red Hat Linux, what answer you guys will give? Right here, Red Hat Linux, can I use M module? Yes, we can use. Red Hat Linux is the part of this RPM based Linux distribution only. In RPM based Linux distributions, we can use these package managers. You can use these package managers for RPM based Linux distributions. So here you can use yum package manager, yum install httpd, right? Suppose if you want install, right, this web server in Ubuntu Linux, right, what you need to do, what command you need to give? How to install web server in Ubuntu Linux. Here we need to use apt we need to use it here. Clear, guys? See, in RPM based Linux distributions, we can use these package managers. Anything you can use in this. And if you go with dev based Linux distributions, you need to use apt only. Clear? No one will ask these questions, guys. Just a theoretical things, all these things. And here only we need to focus on how to deploy the web application in web server. That anyway we will discuss in our DevOps sessions. Okay. So just to remember what is package manager, right? What is package manager? Just to remember these names. That's it. Don't by heart anything. Nothing is required. No one will ask these questions in interview. Clear, guys? Right, guys? Fine, guys. As I told, from Monday onwards, I am going to start our actual DevOps tools. From Monday onwards, I am going to start our actual DevOps tools. I am going to start. Right? Parallelly, one more AWS batch also going to start, guys. And I'm not forcing you guys to attend parallelly for both the courses, guys. Right? I'm not forcing you guys to attend for both the sessions parallelly. That is as your wish. Guys. If you want, you can attend for both. If you want, you can attend, guys. There is no dependency. I will take care everything. Why? Because both I am only handling, right? So I will manage. Both I am only handling. That's why I will manage. You guys no need to worry, right? So if you guys can't able to attend for both the sessions, you guys can go one by one. If you guys go one by one, it will take more than 3 months. Minimum 3 months it will take. 3 to 3.5 months it will take if you go one by one. Right? If you attend parallelly, within 2 months it will complete. 2 months you can complete both. In 2 months you can complete both, guys. If you go one by one, then it will take, right, minimum 3 months to 3.5 months, guys. Okay. Right. See, guys, timings. No, nothing. For you guys, nothing to pay. Nothing to pay extra. Our course is DevOps with AWS, right? AWS I'm going to provide completely. Right? If you attend only for AWS sessions without DevOps, if you attend only for AWS sessions, whatever I will cover, all those things I'm going to cover in our DevOps with AWS batch also. Okay. You guys not required to pay anything extra. Right? I think they are planning timings like this, guys. Right? First they are going to start AWS 7:30 to 8:30. 7:30 to 8:30 DevOps class. Sorry, not DevOps. I think AWS class. Right? 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30 AWS class. Sorry. DevOps. See, guys. Sorry, don't get confused. Right? 7:30 to 8:30 AWS. Right? 8:30 to 9:30 DevOps. You guys no need to pay extra. Right? If you guys want, you can attend one by one after another, guys. No issue. But if you go like that, it will take little bit more time. It will take up to 3.5 months time. Minimum 3 months, guys. Minimum 3 months. Why? Because I'm going to cover around 18 to 19 services. 18 to 19 services in AWS. Right? Only it will take 45 days, guys. 45 days only AWS will take if we go one by one. Here I am going to discuss 18 to 19 services. If you attend for in other institute DevOps with AWS batch, they want to discuss 18 to 19 services. They will discuss main important 4 to 5 services they will discuss. Some people are discussing 6 to 7. That's it, guys. No one will discuss 18 to 19 service. If you want 15 services compulsory, you should attend separate AWS batch. But here I'm covering all these 18 to 19 services in this batch only. In this batch also, I will discuss all these the AWS services. So decide yourself, guys. I'm not forcing to attend parallelly. Based on your timing convenience, you guys can attend. If you guys are attended, you guys can able to complete entire course within 2 months. No, that order is not important. I will take care, right? I will take care. See, in DevOps, why I am starting Maven first? To learn Maven, AWS is not required. To learn Maven, AWS is not required. Right? So whenever AWS actually is first in AWS, EC2 is required. EC2 services are required. Right? So that's why first here Maven I will start, here EC2 I will start. By the time of completing Maven, here EC2 also will get complete. In DevOps, whenever that EC2 is required, right, at that time, by the time EC2 I will complete in AWS. I will take care that. I will take care that. Right? If trainers are different, then problem. Right? For both trainers same, right, then no problem. I will take care. In DevOps, what AWS tools are required, I will give the first priority to those services. Okay. You guys no need to worry about the order. I will take care. Okay, Bhavani. If trainers are different, then you will face the problem. Trainer is same, right? Then you no need to face. You won't face any problem at here. Our final motive is you guys should clear about all these 18 to 19 services. And you guys should clear, right, all 15 services in DevOps, 15 tools in DevOps. Right, by the time of completing this course, you guys are become very, very strong, very masters in this DevOps with AWS. So I will provide that much of content. Don't worry. Everything we will see practically. In AWS, whatever the services are there, in DevOps, whatever the tools are there, everything we are going to see practically. I will show how I am working in my company. Right? Practically, I will show each and everything. Definitely, after completing this course, up to 4 years experience, up to 4 years experience, easily you guys can crack the interviews. So that much content I am going to provide. Okay. Otherwise, you guys no need to worry. I will take care. But before that, you guys need to inform to Kalyan. Before that only, you guys need to inform whether you guys are going parallelly or individual, one by one after another. You guys are going or parallelly you guys are going. You guys need to inform before that. Right? So whoever going to attend parallelly, for those people only, they will send the AWS link. Link will get changed. That's why if you inform right, then only they will share the AWS link. Please inform to management team, so they will share the AWS link. Okay. Okay, fine. Right, from Monday onwards, we are going to start DevOps and AWS both. I'm going to start from Monday onwards. Okay. Thank you guys. We will meet on Monday. Tomorrow no session. Next session is on Monday. Thank you. Good night all.